Hello, my name is Daniel Prey, recording for AEP 859, Module 1. Something interesting about myself to start off. I was a college athlete. I wrestled for 5 years in Nebraska. I have a beautiful daughter. Her name is Ramsey, named after Dave Ramsey. The money guy, my wife and I, Laura Lee, are big Dave Ramsey fans. So I very much enjoy talking wrestling and money. I'm a K-State football fan, K-State all the way around. I drink coffee, and I enjoy playing around of golf. In fact, I just got back from a golfcation out in Colorado. 4 days of golf and more golf with 4 very good friends. My professional life, I wear quite a bit of hats. I've taught for 11 years. Taught 1st and 2nd grade at St. George Elementary for 6 years. Moved up to 3rd and 4th grade, thinking one day I wanted to become a principal for 4 years. And then this last year I moved north to our northern district, Westmoreland Elementary, northern school, I should say, Westmoreland Elementary, and I've been here for 3 months. It's been a fabulous experience. You can see my kids in the background. I am still teaching 3rd and 4th grade. We have a multi-age classroom. I also serve as a Kagan coach for the district, and this is my 2nd year doing that. I've coached wrestling at the junior high and high school level for 11 years. And I serve as a negotiations member on the interest-based bargaining team, looking at things that would be best for our district. My short and long-term goals, my short-term goals would be to graduate from Fort Hays State, finish up the principal test, and acquire a job at a local school, looking at Manhattan, Wamego, Rock Creek area. I don't know if there'll be an admin job in the Rock Creek district, as it's pretty saturated right now. From there, my long-term goals would be, after getting an elementary principal position, would be to come back to Rock Creek, retire here. As of now, that's what it looks like. My far out there goals would be to, at some point, teach teachers how to teach. So being a college professor in some capacity. What I want to learn from this class, the curriculum piece, what would be the most impactful curriculum? What would I have the most impact on coming into a staff, knowing that they have a curriculum already? Lights just turned off on me. I'd also like to have a meaningful evaluation process. With the Kagan coaching, I get to see a small piece of that. I get to go in classrooms. I get to give feedback, so that's pretty neat, but I'd like to hear what other people say about that. And I also have to like the piece of the buy-in process for teachers. I want them to buy in on me. I want them to buy in on the curriculum. So those are some things I'd be looking for in this class. Hope you have a great day.